Tutorial on how to join GTA Online. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and leaving the like button, and let's get into the video. So if you wanted to play with your friends and you don't know how to join, just follow the steps. On a main menu, go to an online section and click on Join Free Mode. And then you will load into GTA Online. In Story Mode, go to the main menu and navigate to the Online section. Click on Play GTA Online. There are a few options if you wanted to choose Public Session, Invite Only, Crew Session, Closed Crew Session, or even Closed Friend Session, but I will choose a Public Session. And then, it will load into GTA Online. After that you will be able to play and enjoy GTA Online. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and leaving the like button, and thanks for watching.